Hi everyone out there in YouTube land.
Hi.
I'm Paul and I've got Edie here beside me.
I'm Edie.
So Edie,
we're gonna have a conversation, right?
That's right. This is something you brought. You asked me if we could do, and I said let's do it.
Conversations with me, Edie.
That's right.
Right.
So Edie.
Yes, Paul.
We were talking before we started recording there that you had a question about this morning's Sunday school lesson.
Yes.
Right?
Well, today is something called a word I can't say.
It's called Epiphany.
What?
Epiphany.
Epiphany?
Yes.
What is that?
It's just a fancy word for when Jesus was visited by what we deem to be three wise men.
What do you mean deemed to be?
Well, because the Bible only has that there were three gifts.
Yes, I know what they are too.
What are the three gifts?
Gold, Frankenstein, and myrrh.
Not Frankenstein, no.
What?
No, not the doctor that created the monster. It's frankincense.
Frankincense.
Yeah.
What is that, like a perfume or something?
Yeah, it's a perfume.
Okay.
So of course you know how some people come to the party without a gift, right?
Yes.
So
that happens far too often.
That's why we only said that there were three, because there's only three gifts mentioned.
But are you trying to tell me there might have been more wise men?
There could have been a lot more wise men.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Edie,
yes, Pat.
You want me to read the scripture that it comes from?
Yes, I do, and I know what it is too. Can I say it?
Yeah, you can say it too.
Okay, it's Matthew chapter 2, verses 1 through 12, because that was in today's Sunday school lesson.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right, Edie. And I've got it pulled up on my phone to read it to you.
Okay, that's fine. Technology.
I know you already heard it once, so just don't sleep on me, okay?
I won't.
Okay, so this is Matthew chapter 2, verse 1, as Edie said. After Jesus was born in Bethlehem in Judea, during the time of King Herod, Magi from the east came to Jerusalem and asked, "Where is the one who was born the King of the Jews? We saw his star when it rose and have come to worship him." When King Herod heard this, he was disturbed, and all Jerusalem with him. He had called together all the people's chiefs, priests, and teachers of the law, and he asked them where the Messiah was to be born. "In Bethlehem, in Judea," they replied, "for this is what the prophet has written. But you, Bethlehem, in the land of Judah, are by no means least among the rulers of Judah. For out of you will come a ruler who will shepherd my people Israel." Then Herod called the Magi secretly and found out from them the exact time the star had appeared. He sent them to Bethlehem and said, "Go and search carefully for the child. As soon as you find him, report to me, so I too may go and worship him." After they had heard the king, they went on their way, and the star they had seen when it rose went ahead of them until it stopped over a place where the child was. When they saw the star, they were overjoyed. On coming to the house, they saw the child with his mother Mary, and they bowed down and worshipped him. Then they opened their treasures and presented him with gifts of gold, frankincense, not Frankenstein, and myrrh. And having been warned in a dream not to go back to Herod, they returned to their country by another route.
They went a different way home?
They went a different way home, Edie.
Okay. Is that because they were afraid of this guy named Herod?
Yes.
And was Herod a bad
guy? For this purpose of the story, yes, Herod was a bad guy.
How come?
Well, he felt threatened that a new ruler was going to come and overpower him.
So kind of like, wait, I'm already king, but how can there be another king and a baby king? That's
right. Not coming from his line of
So he was confused and he felt upset because he thought maybe he wouldn't be king anymore?
That's right, Edie. He definitely thought that he wouldn't be king anymore. So.
Okay.
And so he had ordered all the children under 2 because some time had passed. Because, it's not an easy trip for them to make wandering in the desert to get to Bethlehem.
Yeah, because they didn't have cars and planes and trains and stuff back then. They had camels, and camels were slow and stinky.
And they spit, too.
And they spit. Patoot.
Yeah. Anyway, so they took some time. So they're thinking that Jesus wasn't a baby at this point in time.
He was a
toddler. So, but we just put him at the scene of the baby at the manger, right?
Yeah, because
That's
that
easier.
was just like last week, right?
Yeah, that was last week.
But
A
it
couple
was
weeks ago.
2 years ago last week.
Yes.
Okay.
So anyway, guys. So Edie, does that help you understand a little bit more?
I think so. It's always a lot. Like I always feel like when I go into Sunday school class, I really have to pay attention because sometimes it's stuff I don't understand, which is why I like to talk to you, Paul, because you know everything.
Well, Edie, I don't know everything.
Well,
I'm still learning
your phone
too.
knows everything.
My phone does know a lot.
Yeah.
I try not to lie. I try to know a lot more of it. But
Well, thank you for helping me. And if I have any more questions, can we have another conversation?
sure, we might even try to have it maybe as opposed to here at church, maybe at
Maybe
your
like
place.
in my living room at home?
Yes.
Or okay, that'd
We'll
be
try
really
to
fun.
try to get that worked out.
Yeah, thank you, Paul.
Thank you, Edie.
You're welcome.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Not only on YouTube, but on Facebook.
Wait.
What?
Ring the bell.
Oh, yes.
Ding dong.
Ding dong. You know, I saw some ding dongs at the store the other day, and I immediately thought of you.
What, you mean like the little chocolate
Yes.
roll-up thingies?
Yes, I
I
saw them.
love those, but my mom won't let me have more than one at a time.
At a time. That's probably a good idea, Edie.
Yeah.
So, anyway, guys, make sure you guys share our videos on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever way you guys can share the video, share the video. And Edie, I think, if I'm not mistaken, a lot of like myself, Miss Jennifer, and Emily, we're going to start working on a certain show coming up.
Yeah, I think there's some new guys in the show. I think there are 4 of them, and they're from far away.
Yeah, or as I like to say, they're from across the pond.
Across the pond. That's what you said.
Yes.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, we hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys next week.
Bye.
Bye.